Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a hyperlink inside an email. Whether you're composing a professional business message, sending documents to clients, or just sharing information with friends, knowing how to insert hyperlinks neatly can make your emails look cleaner, more interactive, and much easier to read. Let's get started. First, open your email platform. It could be Gmail, Outlook, or any other service you use. Once you're logged in, click on the Compose button. This will open a new message window where you can start writing your email. Take a moment to type your message just as you normally would. Include a greeting, the body text, and a sign-off. Having your email ready before you add the hyperlink keeps things organized and helps you see exactly where the link will fit best. Now, look through your text and find the exact word or phrase that you want to turn into a hyperlink. It might be something like, visit our website, click here, or even the title of an article or resource you're sharing. Highlight that specific section of text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. With the text highlighted, look for the insert link icon in your toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain link or infinity symbol and is located near other formatting options like bold, italic, or underline. Go ahead and click that icon. A dialog box will appear asking for the URL you want to link to. Carefully paste the full web address into the field. Double check that it's correct. Broken or incorrect links can make your email look unprofessional. If you're linking to a document or website, try opening the link in a separate tab first to make sure it loads properly. Once you've confirmed that everything is accurate, click Apply or OK to finish. The text you highlighted should now appear in a different color or underlined, showing that it's an active hyperlink. Before sending your message, it's always a good idea to test your link. You can do this by clicking on it directly inside the draft to make sure it takes you exactly where you want. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your email. This small but powerful feature can make a huge difference. It keeps your emails tidy, prevents long, messy URLs from cluttering your text, and helps your readers quickly access the information you want to share. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create clean, clickable, and polished emails. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.